want to go to Italy. It's so realistic. It feels like we are already here. Hello and welcome to another video. This is my third video of January already. I told you I'm going to show up more often, right? So today's video is about how we're going to make a vision scrapbook. Okay, now see, there is no right or wrong way to make your vision boards. Okay, I'm not going to pass any judgments on that, but I came across this one technique which I found that it's almost so real that there is no way that it cannot happen for you. So I purchased this book from Amazon. These are like blank brown pages, and why I'm going for a book is because I have so many things I want to manifest. So a single board is not enough for me to cover all the things. So I'm going to go category wise: career, health, and all of that. Another thing I'm also going to do is scripting. So I read and I watch a lot of videos on YouTube which talks about how you do your scripting of your life. And basically, you script out the entire thing of your future, and you write it down as if it has already happened. So, for example, I want an X amount of money in my account. Okay, पहली बात तो मैंने उसका I've taken a printout of, cannot show you this. Anyways, I have taken a printout of the bank that I have. I have also added my actual account number, and I've added the exact amount that I want. And for some reason, AI has said that it just automatically gave me like a number of 26th October 2026. I mean, if I have this amount by October 2020, by 26th of October, then wow, I'm going to make another video about that then. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to script it. I'm going to write how I received or how I have this much amount in my account, and what am I going to do with it, what all am I already doing with it after I have received it. So it's all about believing that you already have that amount and you're enjoying that money. So, and why I took my exact account number is because it needs to feel as real as possible, like I am receiving this amount in my account, in this particular account. That's why this technique of creating a vision board with your own personalized approach, I think that is one of the greatest ways to actually believe that you are receiving all of this for yourself. I've not done this method ever till date, so this is the first time I'm doing it. It's not like I've not manifested things before without doing this without this manner, but I just feel like I want to make it feel as real as possible. For example, you want to visit a destination, let's say Germany. You take a printout of a Germany boarding pass. You may edit it on Canva or any other apps and write your name on it. Maybe write an exact date if you want. If you don't have an exact date, that's fine. But basically making it as real as possible. So I feel like Gemini has done a really amazing job. I have created some amazing AI pictures. Now, how you can generate these images? They're very simple. Go on Gemini and upload a picture of yourself and put a prompt over there that you are doing this particular thing, or you are in this particular country, or you are holding lots of money in your hand. It can be anything. I'm just giving you examples. Why do you want random women in your vision board? It's so confusing. Like, why would you want to add somebody else in your own vision board or vision book? So I would suggest make full use of AI and go all out. So what I've done is I've segregated all section wise, and I'm going to one by one stick them. I have 60 pages, so that's like a lot. thanks to all these AI images, they make me feel like I've already achieved these things. It feels too real. Okay, so maybe I can show you one example of an AI picture. Okay, so I want to go to Italy. I'm sure I'm going to do that very soon. So, what I've done is I have generated an AI image of me and Gulshan at Amalfi Coast. And I gave a prompt to Gemini. There are lots of bougainvilleas. We are eating pizza, we are eating pasta, we are holding glasses of wine. And there's a sea view. And I uploaded a picture of me and Gulshan in it. So I told AI to give me this picture, and this is what it generated. It's so realistic. It feels like we are already here. It just literally feels like I'm at this space, at this spot. That's what I'm trying to say, that when you see these pictures generated, you feel you are already doing it or already living that manifestation. I'm going to start my vision board process. So finally I'm done sticking my pictures. I'm so excited. This feels so good. And I've left some empty spaces next to the pictures so that I can write like I told you, I'm going to do the scripting method of manifestation. I'm going to keep this on my bedside table so that I can read my visions, my goals, and everything before I go to bed. So I hope that you're going to try doing this method if you haven't already made your vision board or vision book. If you want to make something like that, have fun with the process. Don't overthink so much कि shit मैंने तो अलग way में बनाया है, now will it happen for me or no? Of course, it's the intention at the end of the day that matters. And I'm sure that whatever you manifest and you put the message out there in the universe, you are going to achieve it irrespective of how you make it. So don't feel bad or don't get into that loop of shit, I didn't do it in this manner. But I came across one video on YouTube and I felt like this method was really realistic. So that's why I made sure that I'm in the right space, right frame of mind. I did not want to do it with too many distractions. And also, very coincidentally, this happens to be like a 11/11 portal. Basically, it's the first month, so number 1. 2026 also equals to number 1, and it is the 11th of Jan. So it's the 11/11 portal, and very coincidentally, I ended up making the vision book on this day. That some things just feel so aligned. A lot of hiccups were happening every time I wanted to make this. Something or the other was happening. Either my mood was getting spoiled or I was like just not able to make it. And today it happened. So yes. Also, let me know if you are trying out this method. So do leave your comments on how you feel about this process. I absolutely enjoyed this, and I hope to see you in the next one. I am gonna see you in the next one. So bye. Happy manifesting.